Today, we will be going over the creation of master data through the BTP solution of iDMX. Although master data maintenance is both a tactical and operational step, it is crucial in an SAP or a large ERP environment due to its tight integration with various processes across sales, supply chain, and finance. Clean master data ensures the good health of transactions and reports, while speed, automation, and secured access keep businesses agile and efficient in product-related decisions. That's where Gen AI and AI-enabled MDM automation at iDMX, Intelligent Data Management Xpress, help to keep multiple business users organized and efficient. The SAP-certified iDMX platform offers article master governance and automation as part of the master data, along with bills of materials, BOM. The tool is scalable across multiple MDM domains or transaction documents. iDMX is the only standard, out-of-the-box product that offers real-time validation against reference data and configuration in SAP, freeing up business time to ensure compliance with various master data rules. Its AI engine provides real-time recommendations for any anomalies or mismatches of values found against past history. Article creation. In the article master, iDMX allows users to create articles individually by copying from a reference article or mass uploads, or individually. Email integration is also offered using RPA bot if needed. As demonstrated, users can click on, select variant, feature and create articles in a few seconds. Once an article request is created, another user or an approver can approve or deny the request through the portal or via the email link sent to their inbox. Its design and approach are very modular, allowing for easy customization for various approval processes. Article approvals can be in multiple steps using different roles and accesses. After the request is approved, we need to send the data to SAP. Click on Send to SAP. You will notice that the request status updates to Completed. This step can be automated using AI engine and enabling managed by exception once sufficient history is built in the system. Once the article is successfully sent to SAP, the SAP-generated article number is displayed back in iDMX to confirm to the user the completion of the creation process. In the demo, we also display the article in SAP. In the standard iDMX setup, we have several validations working in the background to minimize the burden on users for some of the tactical operations, thereby freeing up their time to analyze data instead. Real-time validation also performs a duplication check based on the description. Just like other components, Article Master is very modular and can be used for creation, change and/or listing. Article Master can be used for generic versus variance articles also. Other validations in iDMX, Master Data. 1. Field level validations. 2. Maintains data standards based on SAP MDM. 3. API-based address check. 4. Live SAP MDM validation. 5. Role-based access. 6. Mandatory fields based on industry best practices marked mandatory. 7. User-friendly UI. 8. LSMW is a lengthy solution. Mass upload via Excel is easy. Dashboard. The dashboard allows us to view the total number of requests created over a week, month, or year. We can filter these based on the request status. To see the total number of requests per status, simply hover the mouse over each request code, and the number of requests for that particular status will be displayed. For example, if we want to see only the requests that were completed last week, we can deselect all other statuses to display only the completed requests. The dashboard can also be filtered by each domain. The standard iDMX checks the login timings and locations of users. BOM. iDMX allows easy maintenance of BOM also in the similar way, allowing user to create while having a real-time validation from SAP for various key fields such as plat, material, etc. iDMX allows multiple BOM categories with the ease of adding components on a visually appealing screen. Once created, approver approves it and sends it to SAP.